Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable repeat notification alerts in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to notifications option. After that go to advanced settings and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see repeat notification alerts option. Then just tap here and that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable repeat notification alerts. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you tap on repeat interval, from here you can change your repeat alerts time. You can see 4 options here: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select 5 minutes, now after 5 minutes you can get a notification alerts. You can also choose app from here. Just tap on apps and then choose the app that you want to get notification alerts. If I select Facebook, and you can choose any app as you want. And that is how you can enable repeat notification alerts in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.